is all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground.
Hello, Janar.
With a constant strive
How are
for
you?
Very
glory.
good, thank you.
The Pip Hunter is back.
New tomorrow.
Tomasito.
Do you feel special?
Good afternoon, Habibis.
Investments.
Hello.
Hey, Brady Bretzman.
Hello.
I have to jump out because the postman literally just arrived.
Oh, pushing. Pushing.
Adrian, how are you, mate? You making money? What's happening?
Yes, it's good. I'm taking my pieces out. I'm cutting out the pieces from the market, and it works very well for me, Brett. Ups or downs, and I find the spots for 20 or 30 pips, and I wrote it in the chat. After the hourly candle closes below the daily pivot, I give it a try, a small lot, and it's running nicely at the moment. And yes, it's okay. I'm happy.
That's good. That's good.
If
You-
you're happy, I'm happy.
If you're
Adrian-
happy, I'm happy.
And
you-
we're running 30 pips profit, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes.
Well, 27, but yeah. Amazing day. Profit in the morning, profit in the afternoon. That's what I like. One, two, 1, 2. 1, 2.
1, 2, 1, 2.
All right. No, just testing.
Your voice.
Yeah. Crazy day. I thought it's going to be a quiet day, but profit here, profit there.
You have a nice bear flag, huh? A bull flag.
Do-do-do-do. Crazy day. I wonder if what's going to happen. I have a feeling that gold is going to continue to move in a range and won't break out because we don't have any data. Well, let's have a look first before I say anything. So, actually, first things first, what music do you want?
House music. Lounge.
French cafe.
Or jazz. Yes.
Good enough.
Good.
Okay. First thing we do is obviously have a look around in the market. What's happening? What are the big news that's moving the market right now? We discussed in the morning that political tensions, especially China and the European Union, with the
Yes.
trade war that they're trying to tariff the electronic cars or the EVs. Other news, of course, the elections or the political calamity all around Europe and the whole world. Nvidia again, hot story with the AI. What else do we have? Oh yes, and fundamentally speaking, this week all eyes on Thursday and Friday, where we're going to have US, I think it's second revision of the second quarter GDP, or the first quarter maybe, and then we're going to have PCE. Wow, that's a big data on Friday, very big data. today we don't have many news. We have some house price index coming up in 2 minutes at 3 p.m. Central European time, 2 o'clock. Yes, Chicago Fed National Activity. Not sure what that is. HPI Composite. What the fish is this? Consumer confidence is coming at 4 o'clock, so 1 hour from now. It looks like the consumer confidence has dropped, which should be a bit deflationary. And after that, nothing sexy. Nothing real sexy. Let's have a look on the open positions. So this morning we had a buy on gold that gained us 130, 140 pips. That was a very nice profit. As soon as it went up, as I mentioned in the morning, above 100 pips, I just closed on everything. So I did. And then, literally 10, 20 minutes ago, I sent out a sell signal because I entered into a sell. Mostly because of I didn't like the price didn't go much higher, so based on price action, and of course the gut feeling about monetary policy expectations, entered into a sell. It's going in 22 pips of profit. Also there's UJ. That was the other reason why I entered into a sell on gold, because USD Japanese yen is pumping up. So the dollar is strengthening or the yen is weakening, which way you look at. But the yen is weakening because if you look at the global yields, which I showed you in the morning, let me just show you. This is it. Yeah, so global yields. Where is it? Markets dashboard, global yields. You can see that the Japanese yen has strengthened. The yields have gone up. Sorry, the yields have gone up because of the monetary policy change at the Bank of Japan. But weirdly, the yen is weakening. And I already explained in the morning that we have this strange effect that even though the yields are rising in Japan, and in any country, when the yields are rising, the currency should strengthen. But because Japan is a unicorn out of all of them, because the yields were so low for so many decades, all the professional traders, they borrowed, investment bankers as well, borrowed in Japanese yen, paying peanuts interest rate, and invested the money somewhere else in higher yielding assets. So it's not an arbitrage strategy, basically just exploiting or abusing the interest rate differential, borrowing in a low interest rate environment and investing in a high interest rate environment. And now everyone is unwinding those positions, which means they're not buying the yen. It's the opposite, they're selling the yen. So despite the high interest rate, they're selling the yen. And this is why the Japanese yen is weakening. And you can see from the live trades, UJ is running in some nice profit. GJ is a bit slower, but of course it's a different currency pair. And that was the other reason. 44 pips of profit, ladies and gentlemen. 50 pips.
Baby. Take it.
How amazing it! How amazing!
Yes.
But new 4-hour candle, and there's no upper wick, so let's hope. That's going to
No, my
continue
TP
lower.
was the Sunday Open. I'm done for today. Yes, nice day.
Amazing. How easy is our job?
Fucking good at the moment, man.
Tomasito, can I ask a question?
Of course, I
Yes.
like women. Blonde,
See
brunette, red.
See there on your gold chart, 1 hour, you mentioned there it has no top wick. What's the relevance of that to you? What does that mean to you?
So do you know how to interpret the Japanese candles?
I thought I did. And I would say that if there's no wick, there's a chance of it coming back to create the wick.
Yes. So actually the Japanese candlesticks have been in use since I think the 80s and 90s, and they represent, so each element of the candle represents a price level. Buy or sell interest, highest offer, lowest offer, bid. So the body of the candle is where the actual orders are executed, and the wicks which the highest or lowest offer or bids were submitted. This is how you can gauge about, you know, the order flow. And if there's no upper wick, that means it could be, you know, usually it does an upper wick or bottom wick. So there's rarely any candles which doesn't have, you know, both wicks. There is, but it's less likely.
Yeah, there's some statistic that, you know, 92% of candles all have top and bottom wicks, right?
Yeah, because the market is both ways, bid and offer.
That's how you like
Bid
it,
and
right?
ask.
Both ways?
Yeah, both ways, yeah. Sausage fest. Come on, gold.
Sunday open is.
I'm actually, I'm long GJ as well, but it's just so slow today.
It is.
So slow.
How do you like the new? Have anyone tried the new signal service from Forex? It's bloody good.
No. Tell us about that.
So Forex started a new signal service. When I went to Cyprus to meet the guys, obviously they wanted to meet me, so you know I said okay, you can meet me.
But you're very busy, very busy.
Yeah. But anyway, I said yeah, I can go. You know, a few bottle of wines and you know autograms and you know. But anyway, I met them, and Andre showed me the signal center, which when he mentioned the name Equity, which is the company who provides an FCA approved signals, I immediately knew that it has to be something good because we used data services from Equity, and let me just show you.
So do we need to have a funded account with Forex to be part of the signal service?
Yeah, you need $500 deposit. So Equity is a big data company using financial data for various, they're offering various products, whether you retail or institutional. They also use it for marketing. But anyway, big data is their business. And they offer signal service based on big data and also artificial intelligence. They work with various brokers, so they have access to the kind of data that costs, you know, thousands of pounds of dollars per pair. So they started a signal center, and Forex is providing or giving out these signals. They're paying, you know, tens of thousands of dollars each month, by the way. So this is not something free, but they give it to their clients for free. And we tried it for a few weeks because usually I don't promote anything if I don't trust it, if I don't know what it is. So I only promote things which are, you know, legit. So Andre and I were testing it for a couple of weeks, and the results are very good, very, very good. And of course, nothing is 100%, so I have to highlight it that, you know, it as good as your risk management. So if you screw up the risk management, even the best signals can't give you long-term gains. This signal center is built into MetaTrader, which is amazing. So you don't need an external platform. You can download it as an indicator to MetaTrader, and you can browse through the signals. And by the way, this is an FCA approved signal, so this is not something scam. Andre did a presentation in the morning of how can you use the platform, but because I'm using Mac, it's not available yet. But I'm buying a Windows laptop just because of the signals. So you go in and it gives you multiple trade ideas with confidence levels. The higher the confidence, the better chances for success or for take profit hit. I sent the link to the YouTube chat and also to the Zoom chat.
Okay.
Have a look and also get the deposit bonus. And in the morning I was selling gold, but then I saw the signal on the signal center to buy gold, and I was like, okay, why not? So I entered into a sell and immediately 120 pips profit. Sorry, into a buy, 120 pips profit, which is very good.
And what was the confidence stated on that signal?
He was very confident. Can't remember exact percentage, but it was high confidence. And as soon as it 100 pips, I closed it
60
down.
to 100. It was 60
60
to 100% chance.
It worked out well. Obviously, in this market condition, when the market is ranging, I wouldn't hold it for too long because, you know, nothing is certain and we have new data coming out. And then I closed it down, I entered into sell, and here we are.
Okay, so I should look back in Discord for some information about it.
Yeah, I created a channel where you have all the information, and you can reach out to Andre as well. He's more than willing to help.
Awesome, thank you. Let's have a look at that, shall we?
And what was the data? So, what is HPI composite?
Is Andre on this call by any chance or not?
Could be. No.
Okay.
But I love the Signal Center. Made some money with it in the last few weeks. And the good thing is that I can go on a holiday because you can use the Signal Center.
Well, you could probably auto execute on those trades in MT5, right?
Yeah. It has if it has limit orders as well, and if you click on it, it sets everything automatically. Well, you have to click first.
No click. No click. Full margin. Go.
Let me put some music on. How to join them. It's only for Forex customers. The link is in the YouTube chat. Click on it. And Andre will contact you.
I think I'm going to have to bite the bullet and do this with Forex.
You never know. But you have loads of signal providers. Try this one and tell me what do you think.
I tell you honestly, I have so many already. I do. I have so many, and I don't really want to do another one.
Yeah.
But
Let me ask you a question. How many of them FCA approved? And how many of them is an actual legit company with big data?
Two out of maybe 15.
It's not bad.
Well, one of them is Vantage, supplied me with what's called auto chartist. I get that from Vantage, and there's another one. I don't execute it. I can't remember, but I get the emails every day. But I'll try this Forex one.
Try and let me know what you think.
Okay.
So far, it's impressive.
Okay, let's do that.
You work with the signals over a longer period yet now, Thomas?
Say it again, sorry.
You work with this kind of signals over a longer period now?
I think since I was in, not Dubai, Cyprus, which was end of May, so like 4 weeks, 3-4 weeks. And you know, every now and then I did my own analysis. And then I looked at the signal center to see, and sometimes I didn't agree. Sometimes I was right, sometimes I was wrong. So I only use it as a second confirmation. But if everything lines up, usually I do. Or if I have the confidence, or they can, because the signal service, it isn't just technical analysis. They do provide fundamental reasoning, logical reasoning behind the trade. So if I read it and was like, oh, maybe that makes sense. Sometimes it did change. My bias, like today. Yeah, exactly. Because when the market is moving sideways, 50-50.
Understand. Okay.
I haven't tried it on relatively exotic currency pairs.
I know this is not your problem, but the link from Andre, from Tamas under Andre is giving me an error for some reason. Let's try again.
I'm sending here again. Oh, sorry, I sent it to Yusuf by mistake.
Thanks, Thomas.
Sorry, Yusuf, I accidentally spammed you.
Hey, it's the same link, identical link. Yep.
Yeah, but is it working now?
No.
What's the error?
Can't reach page.
Does work on mine.
Okay, all right. Maybe it's just something on my end. Oh, it's also a referral link, your cookie there at the end of that URL.
Yeah, but do you use a VPN?
No, sir. Not for this.
Gold slowed down a little bit, back to 15 pips profit, 16 pips. UJ is continue to pump. Hopefully it's going to reach 160 today.
Come on, Sterling, man. Get up. Get up. Sorry,
You're in the buy, Brett?
yeah, I've been long GJ all morning, and all it's done is range between 2026 and 2022.
GJ. GJ.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. Okay.
All it's done is range all day. Really, the breakout should be after 2026, but I'm long already, so.
Furyman is asking, can you ask Brad, is he buying or selling gold?
I don't feel comfortable providing that.
Come on, tell us, Brad.
I have a small long position on gold.
Exciting.
Yeah, I know. It's not. I have a small long position.
That makes two of us uncomfortable now.
Actually, I'm long silver as well.
Thomas,
Long silver.
Yeah.
look at this. Look at this ghost.
I'm not the ghost.
Oh my god, Mila.
How big she is now, huh?
You are beautiful. Look at this blonde hair.
Yes.
Wow. You look beautiful. Principessa.
Sorry. Yes.
Beautiful girl. Thankfully, you know, she resembles her mother, not her dad.
They make a fashion show with the girlfriend.
Oh, in the room.
In her room, but he crashes all the time.
Yeah.
And she asks me, Papa, I disturb you in the live trading now? He's good.
Quickly, the only thing, this is why I said that price might move sideways. If you look at the chart, it's really creating a wedge, and we all know how wedges work. So it has the top, and it has the bottom, of course, the channel. But from above, we have the resistance of the pivots. From the bottom, we have the supports of the channel. And when we have this conflict of support and resistance, price is really loading up some before the big pump. So it can break to the upside or the downside, which is really annoying.
Have you seen my chart, Thomas? In the share chart section?
No, let me check it.
Yes, look at this. A beautiful flag on the 1 hour.
Where is it? When did you post it?
The section is always full. Wait, on 4:30 p.m. Dubai time. 4:30 is 2:30.
Ah, okay. So it's 2:30. Ah, yeah. So what does it tell us? Tell a little bit more. Buy or sell?
That what I see is the flag, and I use the different levels, the pivot and the Sunday opens, and the top and the bottom from the channel, and it gives me today 110 pips.
So
But
buy or
for
sell?
now,
110 pips.
I'm selling from my sell is finished from the break of the daily pivot and closure with the 1 hour candle, and then I'm jumping to the sell to the Sunday open at 23.22. That was the trade.
Exactly as I was afraid. Gold is now back to the range. This is the worst.
Rejected from the Sunday open, Thomas. This is tough to beat.
Right now it's also sitting on the golden zone of the Fibonacci, just not moving whatsoever.
Yes.
Come on, GJ.
Oh. Every time when I heard this voice from Brett, I have to jump into the trade.
Yeah.
Then the pump will start. Every time when you use this voice, Brett, then the pump will start. Yes, yes. I know it exactly, bro. Come on. Come on.
Come on.
Yes, like this.
Thomas, just to finish that before, the other signals that are FCA verified I get are from BD Swiss.
But who they get these signals from? Because it's not BD Swiss. That's probably they use another company.
Yeah, I'm
Who's
looking
the
at
provider?
one now. I'm looking at one now. I'd have to investigate further, but the auto chartist ones from Vantage I find are quite good. I auto trade those; they're all right.
You're right.
But let's try these FXC ones, because you can never have too many signals.
Just like girlfriends.
Depends
Oh,
what
look at
country
UJ. Look at UJ, pumping. It's getting bigger.
you're in. My Sterling Yen's now at break even. I've been in drawdown all day. It's just hit break even.
Tomasz, what are you expecting that will happen after UJ hits the 160?
Definitely, that's an area to worry, because if Bank of Japan intervenes, then it's a problem, and it is a well-known intervention level. Chris Pereira, welcome, brother. Maybe you're late today, but only for tomorrow. You didn't miss much. Trying to figure out which direction gold is heading. Let me just show you the trading view chart where all the drawings are. You can see that gold is really within this tight range. Many support from the bottom, many resistance from the top. You can see it created even a wedge, and you know, wedges are like a build-up of pressure. So it's going to break either one side or another side. But the problem is we don't have many good data today, so most likely it's going to whiplash to north to south, close out everyone, and then continue within the range until we have some more important data. So yeah, summer trading is here, boys. Yeah?
Yeah.
Proper crap. Go back to MetaTrader because I'd like to see how much money we have.
How you doing, guys?
All right, back in profit. Very nice. This is it. Where's your stop loss, Brad?
Sorry, what?
Nothing. It's alright. Just said you look good today.
That doesn't pay the bills, unfortunately.
Well, you know, I know a friend. There are options where you can, you know,
Only fence.
only lads. Chris Pereira waiting for Thursday, probably economic data, jobs, GDP, and Friday PC. Yeah, it's big day Thursday and Friday, prime days of the week. But at least we're making some money with the signals and my analysis. Stop loss 23.19. Oh, it's a big stop loss, brother. I'm gonna get some pistachios because this is boring. All right, 2 minutes on the New York Open. I'm curious how the market is going to react to the potential tariffs on China and how gold is going to react to that. Tempted to short NASDAQ, which I'm going to do. Yeah, I'm gonna go in NASDAQ short. US 100. I'm gonna go in.
Do it. Very good.
You're doing good, Brad.
Yeah,
You're
look, why
amazing.
not? I will. Yeah, let's do it. I'll do it. Yeah.
UJ.
Control M, markets, search, show all. Da, 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 da. All the way down.
Gold 40 pips profit. Back again. Yeah, baby.
NASDAQ, US Tech. Let's go.
Full margin. All right. 30 seconds. Let me get some snacky snack.
Let's do it.
And New York is open.
All right, we're on NASDAQ sell. Let's go.
I am waiting for the hourly closure because the NASDAQ is on the pivot at the moment. And let's have a look how we close.
Oh, it says I'm in profit 80 points already. Oh wow, 100 points.
Yeah, it is. It was 100 points.
Yeah.
10 pips. Now it's pulling back a little bit. Let's have a look on this bad boy. Bad. Give it some time. Just warming up. Gold is back to 40 pips profit.
Rejected again.
It's very boring, Eurocopum.
Ja. Aber wenn die Mama da so Schluss hat, klar. Die könnte auch alleine gehen.
Andre is coming. He's going to provide us some good signals. And gold is running in almost 50 pips profit.
Very good. Very good. I've just been chatting with him actually on Discord, and he's been very chatty, very helpful.
He's good as gold. I think the reason I love for multiple reasons for XC. One thing is they give you can like, oh wow, look at the gold.
Ooh, dropping.
There's volatility in NASDAQ
Melting.
Hello, hello.
Hey Andre.
Hey, good afternoon. How are you doing?
Very good. How are you?
Good. I was just having a shower and you texted me. Sorry. Yeah, I'm all good. Thank you very much. Everything is perfect. What did I miss today? I was unfortunately not able to check or to join the live on YouTube. I'm really sorry for that.
Switch to close the profit from the signals.
Oh, nice.
On gold long and then switch to a sell. That's running in about 60 pips profit. Then I started selling NASDAQ with Brad the lad. That's running in about
all right.
10 pips of profit, 100 points. So happy days.
Happy days, huh? That's good. That's really, really good.
Andre,
Happy to hear that.
thank you for all the info you've just been giving me on Discord, Andre. Thank you, mate.
Sorry, for what?
For the information you've just given me about the signal service on Discord. We were just chatting just now.
Is it? Yeah, B3.
Brad, if it's itching, just go and see a doctor. I can give you any advice.
Andre can help with all sorts of things.
Yeah.
Oh, no. Whoa. Hold your horses there. Hold your horses.
Andre,
we cannot go that deep. Yes, please. Sorry.
Can you show us the signal center? Because I don't have it on my Mac, but you can show us on the built-in signal service.
Just give me a second. I'm opening again the terminal.
Hey, Thomas, this NASDAQ is 250 pips for me. Very good.
And
very good.
This is why I always say keep your eyes and ears open for a good story. This potential trade war between China and Europe is spooking away investors. And this is the result.
No, it's dropping quite nicely now.
Very nice. 250 points on NASDAQ.
Yes. Fuck.
I'm ready when you are, baby.
Oh, hold on.
Oh yeah, of course Adrian isn't in.
Yo, NASDAQ, you little champion.
Go on, Andre.
Missed it.
And we're live from 4XC and Equity Signals.
Hold on.
Provided by Alpha FX.
How can I?
Hey, look at the profit he made.
It's okay. I didn't close the trade earlier when I sent. I was busy. I got a lot of messages on Discord, and I was busy on texting and so on. And at one
Still
point,
50.
so I opened this morning one lot, and at one point it was 1,700, I think, the profit. And I just saw it. I started to text again. Unfortunately, didn't reach the TP was set it automatically, but at least man, the trade was actually executed after we closed the live on this morning.
So, Andre is now
Yeah.
going to show us how the signal center works.
Okay. Right. So I'm not going to go again through the process of installing them because you already have all the steps that you need if you registered this morning in the dedicated landing page for the Alpha FX. Filled up the details, then you receive an email with other details saying you what to do and how to get how to install the EA into your MetaTrader platform, either MT4 or MT5. One thing I need to tell you guys, because I had people that they were trying to install it with other platforms. It's not working with other platforms. It works exclusively for ForexC, and if you have a balance of $500, GBP, Euro. More than that, as you already know, if you are a new trader, you can deposit this amount, then request for the 50% bonus. You increase your equity. The bonus, it helps you in a drawdown. So even if your balance is minus, you still have a positive equity because you're using the bonus. And moreover, if you're losing the entire bonus and your balance will be in negative, don't panic. We can reset the balance to 0 without any issue. And then again, Academy, the Alpha FX Academy has exclusivity. You can request a redeposit bonus also, but please get in touch with me because there are certain procedures that I have to do from my end in order to offer it to you again. Now,
Give us the signals.
Yeah, I'll give you the signals now. Sorry I just had to make a small correction because I had a lot of questions today, so that's why. All right, we have the signals again. I've selected again the confidence level of these signals, 60% to 100%, and the signals are already connected to my trading account. As you can see, you have also the economic calendar, which it looks amazing. When you want to select the signals, you either can select them in cryptocurrency signal, commodities, indices, FX. Commodity signal, the one for gold that it was triggered this morning, is still available. So they are still thinking that, again, as I said this morning, you could have take the signal this morning in a buy position. Then as soon as you see that you have profits, you could have opened a sell position as Mr. Thomas did today. And again, waiting for the buy position. So it works on double end for you as well, depending on your analysis and risk factor, obviously. We have for FX, we have Euro GBP, USD CHF, AUD JPY, and more other. The ones that are already expired, you can see them on the expired section. You don't need them anymore. You cannot trade them anymore. But if you want to trade, for example, now, let's take GBP USD on a sell. We click on the trade. We click on the trade itself, and it gives you the whole details, the whole idea of why the signal was open, the time frame as well, and then by another few clicks, you can open the trade, select if you want to have a pending order or market execution order, the volume and the type of the order, the price, the entry price, a stop loss, and take profit. Everything you do, it will be done by you.
Andre,
It's
what's
nothing automated.
So GBP USD sell, what's the stop loss?
The stop loss, it's 1.27650.
Okay. 1.20.
27,650.
60 pips.
Yeah,
It's
22 pips.
That's under 30.
Mm.
Because
Okay,
entry
and what's the
price is
target?
350.
the take profit is 263.
I'm going to put the take profit at the previous low at 26,270. So I entered into a sell on GU.
Yeah. This is what I also wanted to add. Usually, the take profit it's quite high to be honest, but I think you should just change the take profit. You know, whatever you have it as a profit, it's a profit. If it's $10, $20, $100, doesn't matter. At least it's not a trade that you close in red. So I will drag down a bit the take profit. So you make sure that it's hidden.
Thanks, Andre. Hopefully going to make more money this morning, this afternoon. But it's going well.
Yeah.
It's already 1 pip profit on GU. Well done.
You know, it's the signals are really good. FCA regulated, tested before by myself, by you, Thomas.
Yep.
As usual, not all the signals will be at the same level. We already saw 2 signals today that did well. So yeah, if you take 2 signals like this in one day, and then with your own trading experience and so on, I think it will be a bit better for you guys to try to you know, to beat the market, let's say.
So GBP USD sell. That's all I heard.
Yeah.
Any more signals you think it's worth buying or selling?
Well, that one is really hard to beat because it has 93%, but also AUD JPY here you have a buy limit. Okay, the news sentiment it's 50-50, let's say, although it's a good confidence in the signal chart, but the sentiment is 50-50. And that's why here, as you can see on GBP USD, the news sentiment is 93%. So 93% of the people are actually selling at the time we're discussing about the signal.
I'm selling too.
Yeah, one of them. USD CHF as well. We have a good news sentiment, and the trading idea it's nice, and it will expire tomorrow morning. So if you're using pending orders, and the signal it's expiring, then there is no point to keep that pending order active. Either you select a market order and you execute the signal on the spot, but if you keep a pending order, just make sure that you delete it afterwards so you don't have any small surprises, let's say this way.
Yeah, true. Amazing. I love this signal center. But anyway, thank you so much, Andre, for
my pleasure.
Thank you, mate.
No worries. Anytime.
I'm gonna take back the where is it? Yeah, I'm going to share the screen.
Yeah, I'm going to stop mine.
There we are. Back again.
Oh, dirty move by NASDAQ, huh? Fucker.
Oh, back to 20 pips minus.
At one point, Adrian, I was 400 pips in profit. Now I'm 150. Now I'm 150 in drawdown.
I'm happy that I'm not jumping in because a little bit of FOMO kicks, you know.
You should jump in now while me and Thomas are in drawdown.
No, I tried to sell from the 1 hour EMA at 1965. 650.
Okay.
Nearby the R1. But maybe it flushed.
Still 18, only 20 minutes into the trading session, the New York. Oops.
Adrian, you're in Dubai, right?
Yes.
All right. I might come to the expo in October, so maybe we can meet for a coffee.
Yes, of course, Andre. It was a pleasure.
All right, good.
Contact
Yeah.
me and let's meet. Super.
Definitely.
Yes, nice.
I'm curious to meet you, to be honest, in person.
What? Why?
Maybe, I don't know. It's this vibe. I don't know.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
There's a question from Irvan Santoso. Are there any advantages in trading the NASDAQ over S&P 500? Yes, there is. You need to understand the key differences between indices, US 30 or Dow Jones, NASDAQ, S&P 500, and there's a dozen other indices as well, but these are the main ones. These are different indices, meaning that the composite of the index is different. NASDAQ is more blue chip, Dow Jones is more industrial, and the S&P 500 is a big composite, so everything is included in there. The disadvantage of trading S&P 500 is there's less volatility. So if you want to trade news-specific indices or indices specific to news, for example, which hit the IT sector, or the trade war between, or the blue chip companies affected news, or news that's affecting blue chip companies are going to have greater impact on NASDAQ rather than S&P 500, because S&P 500 is just too broad. So of course it's going to move probably the similar way or direction if there's a big movement, but the smaller the index, the greater the moves are, depending on the news. And we have 6 minutes until CB consumer confidence. Looks like UJ is either giving us another opportunity to enter based on the retracement, or the dollar is weakening ahead of data. Boring day. Morning was more exciting.
It's a bit boring, isn't it?
Yeah. How's your tooth or teeth?
Yeah, good, thank you. Yeah, much better. Much better.
Any? You still have more surgery left, or
I do, yeah.
is it only? It's one, right?
Yeah, one left. I have to finish off half of what we did last week. We ran out of time last week, but almost done. Almost done.
NASDAQ is back in profit.
Yes,
Well, almost.
I am. I'm 50 pips.
Points.
Points, yeah. Yeah. Exactly right.
Thomas, you say it's a boring day, but you catch on gold alone 150 pips. How could it be a boring day?
Yeah, it's true. It's true.
This
You
is.
know, I could say that we get used to 2,000 pips a day, and it's boring for us, but no, it just the morning was quite eventful. We got 120 pips. There was a nice bump, but right now gold is back into the consolidation and just isn't moving. Everyone is on holiday in New York.
Oh, is it US holiday today?
No, in general, summer.
Oh.
Well, it can't be because you only get.
Maybe the news brings some action for you, Thomas.
Hopefully.
Especially for you.
Because I have 2 minutes and 30. Well, I have 5 minutes left from my working day. After that, I'm going to go do some gardening. Get my steel chainsaw, chop up some wood.
The best. Steel is the best.
I also have the electronic from Lidl, the Parkside one. I love it.
Electric.
Yeah. It's less noise, so I don't piss off the neighbors, but who cares? Nas is back again in minus. Cheeky bugger. We have 1 minute 40 seconds till the next data, which is going to be the CB, Consumer Confidence. Also, we're going to have the Richmond Manufacturing Index and the Richmond Services Index. Conference Board Consumer Confidence measures the level of consumer confidence in economic activity. It's a leading indicator as it can predict consumer spending. Ooh, a leading indicator. We love leading. We have 1 minute left. Mm-hmm. 50 seconds. So next up, CB Consumer Confidence. And the Richmond Manufacturing and Services Index. Coming up, 24 seconds. Still
Richmond
selling
is out.
gold. Selling gold and long on USD Japanese yen.
Richmond is -10 for me.
Oh yeah, it just came out. 10 seconds. 10, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Where's the CB? It's weird that they release the data like a good 10-15 seconds early. CB consumer confidence is not out yet.
For me, it's
Everything-
100.4. It's
So
slightly
it-
higher than the forecast, lower than previous.
100 and what?
100.4.
100.4. Okay. Yeah, mixed data. Richmond, everything is deflationary. If you look at the CB confidence, that's not a big change. It's a minuscule change. Market didn't react too much. Only NASDAQ started pumping a little bit. Yeah, I'm going to keep the positions. I'm going to keep in positions. If you look at the charts, gold is just moving sideways. Exactly what I said this morning, that it's going to whiplash to upside, which it did. That was a harsh 120 pips, 130 pips, and then to the downside. So most likely it's going to move sideways and then trick everyone. This is my prediction for gold.
So this is
All
going
right.
to erect up or flash it down.
Yeah, it's a floppy. Floppy and soft and, you know, it's shitty.
Not useful. Not useful.
No. Well, depending on... yeah, gold is running in profit. UJ is running in profit. We don't talk about NASDAQ right now. So, guys, my job is finished for today. Managed to catch 140, 150 pips. So, have a good day and see you all tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Bye bye, Thomas. Have a nice
Bye
evening.
bye.
Thanks, Thomas. See you, Adrian. See you guys.
Thank
Bye.
you, everyone.
Thanks so much.
Thank you. And those of you who are interested to join the Alpha FX Academy, if you want live signals, live trading, if you want to trade with me, go to alphafx.eu. The link is in the YouTube chat. There's only a few places left. I do morning briefings every day, which is live. Trade live in the morning, live in the afternoon. And I also give a notification when I enter into a trade. If you want to follow me, join the Alpha FX community. Link is under the video or the live or within the YouTube chat. Thank you so much. This is the Alpha FX. Poka.
Like a